Just simply come onto this website, click on this button, then come over here and use this hidden tool to basically make a lot of money. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make $19 in just 10 minutes again and again with this free application. Guys, this is gonna be a free tutorial basically from the start till the finish, and you will not need to watch any other video to understand anything. But guys, before we move any further, a small disclaimer that we always give is that don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip any part of this video, well then that is going to be important information that you might be missing out on, and I really don't want you guys to miss anything. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to SEOclerks.com. Now guys, SEOclerks.com is gonna be the website that we're gonna be using for this particular method. So what is SEO Clerks? Now SEO Clerks in itself is basically a freelance platform. Now, when I say freelance platform, what I mean is that they basically have a lot of individuals offering a lot of different services, and they have a wide catalog of clients available over here. So essentially they have clients from all over the world, all willing to pay top dollar for basically, like getting stuff done, for like getting voiceovers, for basically getting video production and stuff, and like basically content writing, art and design, link building, programming, and like SEO and stuff, and all of that good stuff. Now over here we can see some gigs that are present over here. Now what I want you to do is simply click on the top right corner in the search bar. After that, type in over here voiceover. Now when you type in voiceover over here, just wait for a couple of seconds. All of these voiceover gigs are gonna come up. And now guys, these voiceover gigs are basically charging $15 and like $5, $20, $10, and basically like a variety of different earnings, all for just doing voiceovers. Now guys, all in all, this website is absolutely amazing, and like honestly, everybody that I know who is working from this website is making quite a lot of money, and honestly I don't want you guys to miss out on that action. Now for example, let's say you have a voiceover. What happens is that you basically set up a gig over here on this platform, you put in the amount of money that you require, people click on your gig, and then they basically see whatever you are putting over here. So like for example, what I want you to do is that I want you to like put in the picture of a microphone, or basically preferably put in a sample of your voiceovers over here. Now what that is gonna do is that is really gonna like help the client trust you and actually believe that you will be able to do the job. Now guys, guys, the most important thing is that I'm gonna be giving you a free tool that is gonna help you like make voiceovers for absolutely free. Guys, literally for absolutely free, you can design voiceovers using a hidden tool. You want to like record anything manually, and all that is gonna be happening is basically you putting in text, and that software is going to be making the voiceover for you. Now over here we even have people charging $20, like we even have some people charging $30 as well, but guys, $10 to $15 is the average rate. Now guys, what you need to understand over here is that these people are actually like physically making voiceovers, but you are not going to be making anything physically. All that you're going to be doing is simply copying the script, pasting it in the software, and then simply clicking on export and then sending it back to that client, and that is it. Your work is gonna be done. And guys, honestly, this is so simple that I honestly cannot emphasize on this enough, that you should definitely try out this method. So what I want you to do now is that once you've understood everything, click on join at the top right corner. Once you click there, simply put in your username, your email address, your password again, and then sign up for absolutely free. And once you have signed up, you will get the option to put up a gig for yourself, and that is all very, very easy. And this website basically explains all of that. Like once you sign up, they basically have a help guide, and you can just simply click on next again and again, and they will basically show you everything that you need to know to like understand the whole platform. And yeah, so like that is basically how this whole platform works. And now we're gonna jump into step number 2, where I'm gonna be showing you a tool, and I'm going to be showing you how it works. Step number 2. So in step number 2, we have play.ht. Guys, this is the tool that I was talking about. This is a tool most people don't know about, and this is the first time that we are featuring this tool on this channel, because guys, like, this tool has recently hit the market and people are literally searching for this everywhere, and you guys are the lucky few who are actually getting to see this tool, because like after some time this tool is going to be mainstream. Every big platform is going to be using this tool. But guys, right now you have the option to make money from this. So how does it work? So essentially what happens is that this converts text to voice with artificial intelligence voices. They have a huge list of voices present over here, ranging from males to females to children to like old people, and honestly any type of speaking style that you can possibly think of. Then we have, like basically the main styles like cheerful, chat, news, regular, empathetic, customer service, like all that good stuff. And over here you can see all the big brands that are trusting this particular tool for their voiceovers. So they have a couple of different services as well if you want to go for them, but right now I'm going to be showing you a live sample. So I'm going to be typing in, with the rise of cryptocurrencies, everybody wants to be a millionaire. So like we are simply gonna type in this and then like fix the spellings quickly, and then after that, if I were to like simply like click on the speaker button, well then after that I will be able to like essentially hear this voiceover in all its glory. So I'm gonna put the comma here, and now I have this over here. So I'm gonna click on this, and now let's wait.
With the rise of cryptocurrencies, everybody wants to be a millionaire.
So there you go, guys. That is essentially how it works. Now, instead of this one line, what you're going to be doing is that you will be like pasting whole scripts that your clients give you, and then after that you will be clicking the speaker button and then using this full version, and then after that just simply pumping out scripts all the time and making a lot of money from SEOclerks.com. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. Guys, that is basically how this method works, and that is everything that you need to know to get started. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave your comments down below, and I will be sure to address all of your comments as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.